Alright friends, got a little problem. I'm trying to dig a 3-foot deep hole so that I can put a post in so I can connect it, a handrail, to the deck. Originally the builder connected just the post directly to one of the stringers, and of course that sucked big time. So now I'm trying to do it right, and I've come to this boulder. Is there a way of connecting the post to this boulder using, I don't know, bolts or something that will withstand the test of time, or am I just gonna have to jackhammer it or whatever? Thanks. I really appreciate it.